Negative $410 minus 10%. We're buying that.
I'm rich, bitch!
What's up, YouTube? It's paycheck number 5 of the year. We're going to put another deposit in the Roth IRA for our retirement. And I already cheated though. I already put it in earlier this week when the market started going down, because I like to buy when it's down because it goes back up. Unfortunately, it keeps going down, but that's fine because I actually have a little extra money, so I'm gonna make an additional deposit this time, which means next time I won't have to put the full 230 in. I'm gonna put 230 in more this time. It's gonna drop my average cost down to 220 per paycheck to get to my $6,000 goal. And the reason I'm doing it is I am down 10%, 10.17%, $410, which is fine because I'm never gonna take this out, not for years. But I can buy all of these red numbers. They're all at a lower price than I've already paid, so they're on sale to me. I like to buy things on sale. So let's see, connected bank, deposit, current year, because until April you can actually contribute to 2019. So if you happen to be sitting on like $12,000, you can put $6,000 in for last year and $6,000 in for this year, tax free, never taxable again. If you just have $12,000 or whatever, you know. 230. Continue. Bank, Roth, confirm. View, no. Pending. History, just for shits and giggles. 230, 230, 230. There's 4,000 down there. That was last year. That was catch up. We're not catching up this year. We're just going to do 230, 230. Actually, now we're going to do 220 next time because I'm ahead of the game. Go to activity because this is what we built it for anyways. It paid me between my last deposit and 2 weeks later, deposit every 2 weeks, it paid me $7. I only put in 230, but it bought 237. 2 weeks, $7 of growth. For nothing. All right. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching.